Hello everyone and welcome to my new tutorial on the Smart Assistant channel. If you use TikTok every day, you're probably not even aware of how much storage the app can take up on your phone. TikTok automatically saves various files in the background, from effects, filters, and stickers to videos you've watched or downloaded for offline viewing. In this video, I'll show you how to clear downloads and cache in the TikTok app to free up space on your phone, speed up the app, and prevent performance issues. So, first open your TikTok app and log into your profile if you haven't already. Once you're in the app, the next step is to tap on Profile in the bottom right corner of the screen to access your profile page. When you're on your profile page, tap on the three horizontal lines in the top right corner, and then from the menu that appears, select Settings and Privacy. This will take you to the Settings page. Now, scroll down to the section called Cache and Cellular. There, find the option Free Up Space and tap on it. Once you've done that, you'll see the downloads and cache sections, along with the amount of storage they are currently using. If, for example, downloads takes up several hundred megabytes, that means it contains saved effects, stickers, offline videos, and other add-ons you've downloaded while using the app. On the other hand, cache refers to temporary files that TikTok uses to load content faster, but over time, they can take up unnecessary space on your phone. If you want to delete all the downloaded effects, stickers, and videos, tap Clear next to Downloads. If you want to free up space by clearing cached memory, simply tap Clear next to Cache. And that's it. You've now successfully deleted both downloaded files and cached memory from the TikTok app, freeing up valuable space on your phone and allowing the app to run more smoothly and without lag. By regularly clearing this data, you can prevent the app from slowing down and stop your phone from being unnecessarily burdened with storage. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to my channel for more tutorials like this. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you again very soon.